There. In this video, I'm going to show you a little trick related to linking to items within your Canvas course. So here's my Canvas course, and I have inserted this little navigation module with links to different modules within my course. However, I took this code from another site, and if I click, I'm going to do a tab over here. It actually leads to a different course. So this is not the course that I am using. So ideally, to make this work correctly, ideally I would do import through settings, but sometimes that doesn't work out for everyone. So I need to relink these. So the first thing you want to do is click on Edit to open up your editing settings. I'm just going to pull this down a little bit to see a little bit more, and I'm going to scroll down to my week 1. I like to start with a remove link just to clean it up, and then I'm going to click on the little link chain and say course links. And because I want to link to module 1, I'm going to click on my modules, and I'm going to pretend it's week 1 just because that's how this course is set up. So again, remove this link, add the new one. And if it doesn't, cooperate, just try again. But now I'm going to just save my link, my work here. So I did the first 3. And when I click on week 1, it prompts you to the correct link within my course. So that's the quick and easy way to make links within Canvas.